friends, welcome back to Doggy Disguises. Today we are going to be drawing a French Bulldog dressed as a French artiste. So cute, stripes, beret, all the things you would think of. Go ahead and grab your favorite supplies and a piece of paper and let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the nose. And we can go ahead and color that in. Now, Bulldog's noses actually don't really go out that far, so I think I'm gonna color this all the way in. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and do the long, like the, what are the chops, I think? Just the snout. So I'm gonna do a curved line that goes down and connect, and another one that goes down and connect. And then we're gonna do a little kind of curved line here. Let's add a few little dots. And then we wanna add a little extra kind of wrinkles at the top. Okay, so now I'm gonna do two curved lines, or I'm sorry, two dots for the eyes. We're gonna do a curve here, and I wanna make sure I'm not in the way because I wanna do a little beret that's kind of to the side. I don't love how this looks. Doesn't really look like a French Bulldog. Some kind of, maybe a boxer. That's okay. I can perfect it in the next one. I have time, we have time. Let's go ahead and add a little beret on the side, just kind of like casually resting there. I think what would make it look more, yeah, we gotta add some kind of wrinkles to the side. Maybe something like that. Okay, we're getting there. All right, so let's go ahead and draw a curved line down and connect it into the head. And then we need to draw those big bat ears. One is gonna be hidden under our beret. Let's make a little fold. There we go. And the other one is gonna be up here. So we're gonna do a little bit of a curve at the top. It's gonna go down and then just a little bit wider on the side. All right, so we're gonna make our little cutie kind of sitting nice and wide here. We're gonna make a t-shirt with two curved lines. Two lines there, and then two straight lines for the feet. I'm running out of a little bit of room. Hopefully you have room. And then the back of our Bulldog, we probably wouldn't be able to see that much, but we'll put a couple of toes there. Now to make this doggy look like a French artiste, we have to do the classic black and white stripes. My personal favorite. And you know what? Let's just add like a French baguette, maybe a little bundle of flowers. And then of course, we'll add kind of like a little easel. And I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna actually make it look like there's a paintbrush in their mouth. Ooh, let's just draw a little landscape. Voila, French artiste. Alrighty. I hope you guys enjoyed drawing our little French artist doggy today, and be sure to come back tomorrow for another one. See you then.